Yes, I'd like to talk to the mayor, please. No, I do not have an appointment. No. Yes? Maybe. You shut up! No, not you. My hostage. Yeah, look, I've been trying to talk to somebody here for almost a month now. When would be the best time to, call back and threaten His Honor the Mayor? Hello? Hello? I'm a registered voter, you know! I'm just gonna call right back until I get some answers.
Ah! Ah!
What in the... Oh, must have been that sandwich I found behind that there radiator. I don't care if it did belong to you. Now it belongs to my stomachs.
Aha!
Who are you?
The valiant spooper kid.
Great, I'm Evil Cow. Why are you running around screaming? Some people in here are trying to concentrate.
The great supercat screams not. He fights justice and breeds terror. I mean the other way. Fights terror and... What was I saying?
You know what? Please hold that thought.
Hey! I think that may have been the evil one. Please tell me you're a friendly, menacing robot.